Hi, welcome to Gary's Galley. As you can see, we are currently on the move. Now, if you've been here with me for a while, you know that my husband and I have spent the better part of 3.5 years restoring our 50-foot trawler that we also live aboard. So we're full-time live aboard. So this is our home, and we're finally on the move. And we are moving from North Carolina down to Florida for a couple months. So if you're new, then welcome to Steelaway. If you are been with us for a while, here it is, the tour of inside of Steelaway. Now we're going to start on the starboard side of the pilot house. And of course, this is where all the magic happens to get us where we're going. Now you can enter from the port side or the starboard side. Both have doors. Now, a lot has changed up here, but it's all stuff that you just can't see. It's kind of behind the scenes. I did reupholster that because it had better days. And then, of course, we have a closet for our life jackets. And from the pilot house, we move down. And the first thing that we come in contact with is the galley. And I know that everybody has seen the galley, and of course the galley, the cabinets were hand built in Michigan. We have not touched them. We did, however, redo countertops. We got my commercial stove, new sink and backsplash, and all of that is new. Billy got me a new window because the old one didn't open, and I wanted a galley window that opened. Billy made me this. This is mahogany, a sheet of mahogany. Redwood that we brought back from the redwood forest. But my light switch up here is out of African mahogany, and that Billy built and wired for me so I would have light in the galley. Coming around over here again, this is again all of the woodwork that was done back in the early 90s in Michigan, hand built. This, however, is new. And then Billy built that down there, and the drawer is actually a drawer in there. That was the drawer that was underneath the old stove. And his father's locker from the service. And as you come over here, don't mind my phone case. And we have our little ice machine. And of course our napkins. And of course, you know, it's me. There's going to be jars because I'm always putting up something. And then there is Don the Dolphin. Both of these chairs came with Steelaway. I redid them. Now this, Billy and a friend built. Billy designed it. Let me push the little button here. And that is our TV. So our TV stays nice and safe in there. This is our little bar. And our couch. And our couch is a recliner so that we can recline and watch TV. And of course this goes out the back door. So moving down the stairs to the downstairs, as you can see here, that's my sugar and flour and whatnot kind of things. This is kind of sentimental. My very first ever executive chef menu, and it was so long ago that a 10-ounce New York strip cost $17, and a rack of lamb was $19. So that just tells you how long ago that was. Now as you come down the steps, you have two choices, and on the wall there, that is carved by the same artist that carved Bob the Dolphin and Don the Dolphin. And as you come down the steps, you can go left or right. When you go to the right, you can see straight down is the V berth. Here to the right is the hallway bathroom. This is a full bathroom. It has behind this door a full shower. The toilet, the floor, the front of the cabinet, the sink, and the countertop have all been redone. And then, so this is the V berth. So that is our extra spare bunk. Up there is like the locker. Up there is where our anchor chain is. And of course, it's a boat, so we use any space for storage. Now this area was a bunk as well. It was a bed. There was a bed here and a different kind of a desk. I already had the built-in cabinets, and I said I want that as my walk-in closet and vanity. And Billy made that happen for me. So the top is new. This is new. This is repurposed from something that was upstairs, and then Billy put all the rods in for me. So I have my walk-in closet. Now if you come down to the steps and hang a left, we come into the back part of the stern part of the boat, and back here is my backup refrigerator, backup freezer. This was a hallway, was like, I called it the hallway to nowhere because it just came out right over there. So Billy utilized that space to put my extra refrigerator and freezer. And then behind the submarine door is food storage. And one day I will show you all that's in that. And the submarine door looks really rough, but I have the leather to redo that, and that's one of the things that's yet to be done. And then this is our master, and in here Billy built that shelf up there, and he built those end tables that stand up on there, and he redid the frame of the bed. And then we have another, and that's little baby Billy and I. And then we have another full bathroom in here, another full shower, storage. And when you leave, this is the room that has my waterfall dresser. And it also has the other side. So this is the other side of that refrigerator and freezer. And we have a little washing machine and, of course, more storage. And from here, we go into the water room. And the water room houses a hot water heater. It houses some of the filters that our water comes through. We have about 5. And on the other side of that, now this is all Billy. Billy built all of that. And every single wire in this boat has been ripped out and redone. And we have batteries down there. And then behind the blue door is the heart of the operation here, our engine room. And as you walk through here, when we're walking through, we are walking through our diesel tanks. And this is the engine room. We have 2 John Deere engines. Now, Billy added the day tanks. We added the fuel polisher. Every wall has been re-insulated, repainted. Our pipes here were rebuilt. Down here I have a water tank and a water heater. This is just for the galley. So this is the engine room. So I hope you liked your tour. So for those of us who are subscribers, hi, I hope you really enjoyed finally getting to see Steelaway. And if you're new, I hope that you come and subscribe to us. I do spend the majority of my time here in the Galley. As a retired chef, it's still my very favorite place to be, and I really love to show people how no matter where you are and no matter how big or small your kitchen is, then you can still live a life with food, moving away from preservatives, chemicals, artificial flavors, gums, artificial colors, all of that stuff, and just have really pure, clean food. And I hope that's something that you might like to subscribe to. So I hope you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment, and I'm going to see you real soon. Bye.